Hey friends, it's Sarah Joy. Welcome back to my channel. I have something so exciting to share with you guys today. And so without further ado, I want to jump right on into it. So I've been talking about this for months on end, so you might already have an idea of what I'm gonna announce tonight, but I've snuck it in. I've talked about it several different times throughout the past year on how I've been wanting to create a course, and a course specifically on interior design for your home and kind of just my approach, my style to that. And so I'm so excited today to be announcing that I have a course and a course launch date for you guys. So first of all, let me just give you a brief synopsis of what the course is. The name of it is Attainable Aesthetic, and if you can't gather from the name already, it's really gonna be about how to get a particular aesthetic that you're going for in your home and how to do it within reach. So how to do it affordably, how to do it with things that you already have, and how to do it if you don't feel like you really already have a grasp on even what design style that you like, or just all the decision making that you have to do in your home seems just a little bit tough for you. This course is really gonna walk you through all of those things. And while I had really grandeur plans in the beginning to do this huge course that walks you through just every single decision-making process that you have to do when you take on a home, that course is still coming, but this course is really gonna focus on how to source things in your home, from furnishings to decor and styling pieces, and just how to do that just really resourcefully, and how to make great decisions along the way. So that's what this course is all about. Really, in several ways, it's a mini course. So the curriculum is not gonna be super dense. It's gonna be really easy to follow and really easy to implement into your home, and that is the whole heart behind it. So I'm gonna dive in and show you really what this is all about. You can see more on my website, sarahjoy.tv, and you can click up at the top where it says course, or you can go to sarahjoy.tv/attainable-aesthetic. And that's the course countdown page where you can really find out more. The whole course is gonna be largely focused on instructional videos. So you're gonna be completely walked through the whole thing. It's not gonna be heavy on reading, but instead I'm gonna walk you through it piece by piece, really talk you through it, give you a lot of visuals to go along with it. So it's gonna be really easy for you to learn and follow along. So in the very beginning of the course, we're gonna go through your design style. And like I said earlier, if you don't even know what your style is, I've taken that into consideration. I'm gonna walk you through some exercises that are gonna help you identify for yourself the design styles that you're actually drawn to and that you love, things that inspire you, things that make you feel at home or at rest. We're gonna identify those things, and then I'm gonna help you by taking some other design templates, and you get to mix and match them to make a design style for your home that's unique to you and that you love. The next module is all about using things that you already have. We're gonna go through your house. I'm gonna show you what you need to declutter, what you need to downsize, what you need to move on, or maybe you have some pieces that you really, really love, but again, they're not giving that special spark in the room. And so we're gonna show you where to place those, maybe how to switch things around, how to get your house using the things you already have in the best possible scenario. And then we're also gonna take it a step further. We're also gonna put together an action plan for how to take the things that you already have that might not necessarily be in that aesthetic and style them to that new aesthetic. So I'm gonna walk you through the whole thing. It's gonna be some soft DIYs, not really complicated stuff, but I'm gonna walk you through step by step, just really how to make everything flow and mix together in a really simple and cohesive way to where your whole space looks really intentional and really well thought out. The second module is gonna be about thrifting. And I know a lot of us are inspired by thrifting, antiquing, marketplace, all kinds of different apps where you can find and get one-of-a-kind things, but it's also really overwhelming. And sometimes we get burned because we actually get junk. We end up with junk or spending money on things that we didn't actually need in the first place. And so the second module is gonna be all about how to thrift things that doesn't feel chaotic, where you can actually go in with a plan and execute it. things that you should always thrift because they are very attainable no matter where you live or what kind of stores you have near you. And then things that you should stay away from that aren't high quality, that will be a waste of your time or just a total drain or a sap on the budget. I'm gonna walk you through all of that. So that second part of the course is really gonna be how to source things that are one of a kind and unique and just give a special touch to your home. Also, they'll probably be a bargain, but we're also gonna walk through what not to get when we go on those adventures. The final module is going to be sourcing high quality items. But we're going to talk about it from two different approaches. One of them is going to be how to source big things like furnishings and big pieces down to the smaller pieces that just help your home have that cohesive look, maybe some styling pieces and some decor items. So I'm going to give you like a full shopping list of my favorite places to go and find things. And then we're also going to break down how to get actual high quality items, what's worth the spend versus what's not worth the spend. And we're gonna walk through what you should spend up on if you want a really high quality in X, Y, and Z versus what you can really trim the fat on. And the quality level would really be very similar or would go unnoticed as to if it's high quality or not. We'll also end with a special segment on how to build a high quality or luxe house layer by layer. So if you're at a place right now where A, you don't have a ton of time, or B, you don't have a ton of money to put into a decor project, I'm gonna walk you through how to do it just layer by layer and decision by decision so that you can get your whole house to a finished state and then upgrade it phase by phase. All in all, you'll find that this is a really doable game plan for your home. It's gonna help you source the right things and put them together in a really helpful and enjoyable way where you get to make your home the space that you love the most. And I'm so excited for you to be able to check this out. It's gonna launch on Friday, July 8th, so we have a couple weeks until that comes out, but I wanna make sure that you are in the know for it. So go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed to my wait list. They're gonna be exclusive offers for the course launch. So you wanna make sure that you're a part of that email list because those offers would go straight to you. So make sure to click the link in the description of this video so that you are a part of that waiting list. And again, guys, I'm so excited to share this project with you. It's definitely been a long time coming. So why don't you head on over to my website to check it out. Again, it's sarahjoy.tv and you can click on course right in the top right corner, or you can go to sarahjoy.tv/attainable-aesthetic. Now I'm gonna help you fill your home with a lot of joy. All right, guys, thanks for letting me come on and share this exciting news with you tonight. I will be back next Tuesday with a brand new video that you don't wanna miss. So as always, make sure that you're subscribed, and other than that, have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
What a wonderful